you will only need 2 things to make your vanity. That is your own personal mirror, and then these are the vanity mirror lights that I got from Amazon. Let me just place them here so you can see. So it comes with a manual. It's just a small piece of paper, one-sided. Let's see what it says. So please clean your mirror with dry wipes before sticking the lights on. Please ensure to connect it to a power adapter. When the bulb is pasted, you must press the product for about 30 seconds, and it takes 24 hours to achieve the best adhesive strength. You can cut the extra bulbs after you finish the installation. Please note that the extra bulbs will be cut, cannot be used again, and you should better cut the line safe or it will be short-circuited. Well, I'm gonna stuff all these lights on here because who has time to snip and cut? I'm scared. All right, let me get something to wipe my mirror off and then we will get rolling. All right, got some Windex. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean my mirror, make sure it's dry. So it's just bunched up in the box. That's how it comes out. It does have the 3M adhesive stickers like I said before, so it's going to be a very easy process. My only fear is making sure that I separate them properly. So this is the connective piece. This is the light switch right here. And then you can just plug it into an adapter like they said, but I'm probably going to just use a US, like a phone stub. What do they call those things, phone?
I don't know. My friend calls them booties.
Well, the phone booties, like for the iPhone, because I have like a few old Android ones, so I'm going to just use that. Okay, I'm gonna reinforce my little sister to get in here. Fun, I need your help.
Why?
I'm scared. What if I stick it on wrong?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be so... Thank you, ma'am. So it just has this scissor, this rubber band on it. I'm gonna just cut that. I'm not cutting any extra lights. I'm using all of them. Can't chance it. What if I short circuit it and I'm looking sick?
Just use them all. Just make sure you don't put them down first to see placements.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna just start sticking it. So now I'm gonna just try to work on placement because I'm not knowing what I'm doing. And these also have like a wraparound section, so you can wrap around the extra to film. Pull what out?
Like pull out the bottom a little further and stuff the cords in. Like, is that a thing I'm seeing? Because one side looks a little more open than the other. No. Careful, don't break it.
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to roll this extra wiring underneath from both sides, so that way I can fit as many lights as possible.
All this excess cord is annoying.
Yeah, there's a lot of excess cord. I guess if you have a big mirror, it's good, but like, since I don't, like, how will that work, you know? So I don't want to cut the lights off, but I guess I'm going to have to cut off the excess lights.
I wish they were just individual. You can just put them on there.
So maybe I should start on the bottom pieces. Well, where's the top of the mirror? Right here.
On either side, I guess.
Oh. So I have to make sure this one is like close to the bottom. Then it's like, how do you make sure they're equally spaced out, you know, since I'm wrapping? This is harder than I anticipated for me. Alright guys, so me and Fafan, stick your hand in the camera frame so that people can see you. Hey girl. We had to think about this for a little bit. It's good that it's long and it kind of gives you a little bit of excess string, but since this mirror is not like a huge mirror, that kind of is like a dilemma. Luckily we have like these notches into the design right here, so I don't even have to measure it out. Fafan was just saying like I should just line up the bulbs with the notches, as you can see. So there's 12 notches but only 10 bulbs, so there's going to be one section where it's just a little bit off, but I'm not really like a perfectionist, if you will, so I'm not really concerned about that. And I also don't want to cut any lights. So it has a section where you can wrap the wire in a little bit. It's not much, but it's good enough. And I figure if I like stick it down tight and kind of twist it and keep twisting the lights, then it will be a little bit more organized and the light, like the string won't be just dangling all over town. So since I have the notches, I'm going to just start sticking it in. But if you don't have notches on whatever mirror you're using, I would definitely mark the spaces with like maybe a whiteboard marker, something that you could wipe off the mirror, so that way you're able to see exactly where you want to place these. Luckily I have the notches like I said, so I'm going to just start sticking these down. This is also the bottom of the mirror, so this is where I have the actual plug-in cord located. Let me check to see if these actually work before I keep going.
I was literally just looking like, where's she gonna plug these?
Oh, I have that little stub and I'm gonna plug it under here. Ooh, fella. Is it dimming?
Yes.
We're in action, people. So they are dimmable. I just thought like maybe I should check if they work or not. And then every time you turn them on, it'll be on that same, well, it should be on that same setting. Okay, we know they work. I'm gonna keep going.